September, I visited the president. We spent 45 minutes, and I briefed him to say the next day I was going to go to Mpumalanga to launch the safety season. And the president, we spent 45 minutes, and then he said goodbye to me. He said it in Sizulu, "Tuhambe kahle mfana kithi." So I didn't know that I was going forever. But and then I left. He said he was busy meeting some people. What I didn't know is that those people who I was busy with, they were discussing my suspension. Yeah. And then, as I was at work in Mpumalanga, I remember we arrested somebody with a big bag of dacha. The journalist came to me and asked me, "What do you want here? Because you are suspended." I said, "No, I'm not suspended." They said, "No, you are suspended." I checked with the staff. If they check, I was told that at 2:15, the president has in live TV read my suspension on TV. So I was supposed to go there with Mkhwanazi to that operation, but I don't know what time. In the morning, I was told that Mkhwanazi was not going to come because he has been phoned the previous night.
He is now the acting national commissioner.
No, he was phoned the previous night that he must not go, he must go and see the minister. So the rest is that then he was to be made the acting national commissioner, which means minister and the president, they know that they're going to suspend me, but they allowed me to go and be suspended on the field. And as I was busy working.